Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful table arrangement. Please stay tuned. So first of all, I'd fill up my vase with some water, and then I would also put some flower food in. So that the flowers last longer. It's important to add flower food to make sure that the flowers last longer. The flowers that I will be using to make the table arrangement are the pink and white roses, very light pink. And I will be using a brighter pink rose, more of a fuchsia pink. And to finish it off, I'll use alstroemeria. To begin, I will separate the light pink flowers with the fuchsia pink flowers. And then start with the main flower in the middle, and when you add another flower, you just spiral the stem around, so you want to have it at an angle like this. And then I would add another one to then have the white one in the middle. Again, keep spiraling the stem around and make sure it's quite tight as well. Again, always make sure when you spiral the stems that they're in the same direction. So I want to make sure they're all going round this way. Again, I will add in another rose. Also, you want to have a nice, more round effect here. So if you notice, the main flower is falling a bit, you can't lift it. And again, keep spiraling the stems around. And once you've done that, on one side, you just keep making sure you don't have any gaps in the posy table arrangement, because this is starting to really look like a nice posy as well. Again, having them around like this, and as you can see, this is what mine looks like now, and I can add in more of the brighter pink flowers. The roses here, and then I can put some more pink around the other side. Again, always making sure that you spiral your stems. Then I will lift up some of the flowers. And once you have tied it here, then I would add the alstroemeria to make a collar round the arrangement. Again, keeping the stems going in the same direction always. then I would tie it again with string at the same point as before. And you have to make sure you hold the flowers. And then again, using the same technique, it's just using the edge of your table or your surface is a good way, because you're keeping flowers at an angle. And once you have the hand tie ready or posy for your table arrangement, I would then cut the stems to then fit to the vase, and making sure they are cut straight. Thank you everyone for watching my video. If you'd like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.